Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to write a shellcode of reverse TCP connection. If you did not watch my previous video, then go and watch it. That video is basic of this, however this shellcode is more easy than previous one. Before we write shellcode, we need to understand some socket programming concepts. First we need to create a socket to work on, then we connect to server using connect system call, and then data transfer occurs via send receive functions. We make some small changes here. We used up to system call to duplicate our output to the socket, and we use exec ve system call to execute input as a command. From the server perspective, we use netcat. Let's see these functions and parameters. Socket function requires 3 parameters. First is domain type, inet is for IP version 4 address, and second is protocol type, which is TCP in our case, and last one is 0 for IP. The output of this function is an integer which we refer this as socket descriptor. Next function is connect. Connect takes socket descriptor, server address structure and its length as parameters. Only these 2 network functions are required for this shellcode. Okay, let's start writing shellcode. First we create text section to hold our code. Now clear some registers. We need to write socket function. You can see numbers for protocol type and socket underscore type.h, sock stream is 1. If you look at socket.h, f underscore inet is 2. Now if you look at net.h, value of socket function is 1. This is argument of our socket call function. Copy 1 into EBX register. Arguments of socket function should be a pointer. One way to do is to push all arguments onto stack and then copying ESP value into ECX register. Now push those values and copy ESP value into ECX register. Now call that function using interrupt 80. Now copy return value into EDI register, which is socket descriptor. Now we write connect function. Socket address structure contains a f underscore inet, port number to work on, and IP address. We should provide IP address. We use 127.1.1.1. As you can see, if we use 0, it results in null byte. Push IP address and hex in reverse order without dots. Now push port number and hex little endian order. Now copy ESP into ECX register. Now we got pointer to structure. Let's push parameters along with this pointer. Now copy connect system call number into EBX register. Call the function using interrupt 80. Now store the output into EDI register. Now we called up to function. First argument is socket descriptor and remaining are input, output, error. System call number is 63. Now put 63 into EX register. Sorry, I put 11. Later I rectified. Copy socket descriptor into EBX register and 0 into ECX register, which is standard input. Now do the same process, but increment ECX register. This is for standard output, and do also for standard error. Now we need to call exec ve function. From now on, it's similar to my previous video. Copy bin sh into EBX as pointer and copy 0 into ECX and EDX and call the system call. Now compile using nasm and ld command. Now open new terminal and use netcat command nc-l 127.1.1.1 port number. I did a mistake. I stored the return value of connect function, which is status. It overwritten our socket descriptor, which is in EDI register. After fixing, now Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe to my channel for more tech-related videos.